Step number 1, how much money can you make? Well, let me show you how much money we make on the screen. When we promote our product Shop Zipresso because it replaces Shopify for a one-time price, people love it. For every visitor we send to this offer, we make $5. So from 7,361 visitors, we made $37,799. Another offer of our own is Host Zipresso because it replaces all other hosting server companies that are required to make websites or host websites. People love it, one-time price. So from 3,961 visitors, we made $18,000. So almost $4.77 per visitor. So what is the key factor here through which you make money? So if you look at the key factor here is the visitors, the number of visitors. Every visitor pays us $5 on the average. How do we do that? We use our software Epic. Now here is a 6-minute 27 seconds video, let's say 7-minute video where I recorded while making a shorts video, 1-minute video for YouTube using my software Epic. It's literally copying and pasting link. But what makes it super easy for us and for our users, Epic users, oh by the way, Epic link is in the description, you can get it anytime you want. What makes it super easy are the templates. So let me show you. You see this part, this little list? This list is getting bigger every day. We are adding 3 new videos in this section. This is basically the videos that we make are saved as templates for our users. So our users can use our videos, import them as template, edit them as their own, do whatever they want and use those videos for our users, for themselves and get traffic like us. So how much traffic do we get? You see, when I recorded this video, it was for a particular video. That video was published on 8th March, 15 days ago. In 15 days, we got 136 views, which are visitors. These are the people who pay us $5 on the average. So from 136 views, we made 136 times 5, $680. And it was a 7 minutes work. So we can say you will make $680 for 7 minutes of work. But is this limited to $680 or can we make more? This is the video I was talking about. Now let's see the other video. From this channel alone, when we publish shorts, we don't do anything else. We simply leave them alone. YouTube sends traffic to the videos all by itself. These shorts was published on 10th March, 13 days ago, got 115 views. Another one, 124 views. Another one, 132 views. Another one, 428 views. Look at this video, 76% traffic, visitors, viewers came from Shorts feed. When you scroll through YouTube, you'll see Shorts feed. These are promoted by YouTube and regular people like you and me getting hundreds of thousands of views. The numbers we are showing you here is completely scratching the surface compared to what is achievable from YouTube Shorts. Simply 7 minutes of work like this. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. This way, not only you learn how to make money online, you also help others learn how to make money online. Share this video with your social media contacts as well. Everybody gets access to our Epic software as well. And YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. Okay, so the key factor is traffic. The software we used is Epic and it's just 7 minutes of work because all the work are already done by us, our team. And every day they're adding 3 new videos at the moment and we have plans to add more. Let's check how many videos we have at the moment for our users to use for free. When you click add new, the option will show up right here. You see all those videos that we made for ourselves and we already published them or we are going to publish them. You are going to get them for free as a user. All our Epic users are getting them. Now how to use it? It is recorded in this video and I will run this video at the end of today's video. So stick to the end of the video. Before that, let me show you how hard it is to get visitors or viewers to your offer and make this kind of money. But don't worry, YouTube Shorts has made it extremely easy and Epic made it completely done for you. Just to give you a quick idea of how many ways to get traffic or how to increase traffic to your website, here is an amazing blog post that we loved a lot. So they showed you 25 ways to increase traffic to your website. If you look at them, it's advertise, get social, mix it up, write irresistible headlines, pay attention to on-page SEO, search engine optimization, target long-tail keywords, start guest blogging, invite others to guest blog on your site. Now, let me just show you one of them. Invite others to guest blog on your site. Number one, you must have a blog. Number two, you must have a system for guest bloggers to be able to guest blog on your blog. Number three, your blog must be popular enough to attract guest bloggers. Number four, finally, you have to go out and connect with them and finally be able to get their attention and convince them guest blog on your blog post. It's not your job alone. You cannot do it. I cannot do it alone. It's a whole team. It's a whole company's work. So all these 25 ways that they're showing are all real and it's possible. They are perfect. They work perfectly, but they are not easy. Because these are not easy, getting traffic is not easy, and that is why making money is not easy. So how do we manage traffic? We simply solve problems. YouTube introduced shorts recently. To make this feature popular, they are promoting the shorts creators. This is our chance to get benefit, take advantage of YouTube's promotion. So the more you create shorts, more people will view your videos. YouTube will send traffic to your videos, viewer to your video. We have a shorts that has got 597 views. Another one got 485 views. One of our shorts has got 3,000 views, all from YouTube. You see, out of 3,000 views, 92% traffic, viewers, came from YouTube search. So these shorts are even going on top of YouTube searches. Now, I hope you understood the power of YouTube Shorts. Oh, I'm going to show you now how easy it is to use Epic and make YouTube Shorts, get all these visitors and make money. Let me show you how easy it is to make videos using Epic. Create new, name your video and select vertical, click create. Click add new here, select this done for you video, click on the first one and create. Let's play and see. Alright, looks like there is no sound, which is super cool, not a problem. We're going to pull this, all of them here. So basically, the Paris review is a blog, 580,000 visitors, and they get visitors from Twitter, Facebook and Reddit. Super cool. Then click add new, hit save changes, otherwise your changes will be locked. Click add new again, select the next one, click create. So in this section, basically we are showing what they do. They publish content on their blog and share on their Twitter account, and they put their main website link in the bio. Click save, click add new, next one, click create. So basically in here we are showing they can do our customers can do the same using our software Maven. Very simple. Step number one, copy the URL of the website you want to hijack and paste it into Maven. Step number two, push the button and rewrite the content using AI. Step three, publish and share with Facebook, Pinterest and other social media to get traffic. Click save, and we move to the next bite-sized video and we want to add the CTA. Click create. Boom, boom, super cool. This is CTA. That's it. I'm going to delete the first one. Click save. Then I'll go to the first slide and record audio. So I'll mention the ParisReview.com gets 580,000 views just by sharing their content on social media. Nope, it was wrong. So I'm going to cancel it. I'll say the ParisReview.org is a blog and it gets 580,000 views, basically more than 500,000 visitors from social media. Super awesome. The ParisReview.org is a blog that gets more than 500,000 visitors per month, and a lot of their traffic comes from social media like Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Pinterest, you name it. Select OK. We'll add the recorded video here. Click add, edit. Now here we want to change the location, and then we go to the next. Here we want this image to appear, right? Cool. And then we save it. Let's try again. Go back. Cool stuff. Now we go to the next one. Yes, save change. All right. So we're going to say all they do is every time they publish a content, they share the content with social media and they put their domain in the, oh, I forgot. So there is a way to do that. It's easy, okay? All they do is they publish content on their blog and share that content with social media. Plus, they put their site link in the bio. Enter, hit enter, and add text. Woo! Okay, now it's easy to read. So I'm gonna Oswald, and this is what I'm. All they do is they publish content on their blog and share that content with social media. Plus, they put their site link in the bio. Right. So this is the first one. All they do is they publish content on their media. Right. So this is where I want this one to appear. Right. So this is where this one to appear. All they do is they publish content here. All right. That's it. So go to audio, coded audio. Number 2, we want to add it. Change. Awesome. All they do is they publish content. Right. This one will be on top right here. Let's put it here, and we want to play with this, right? So that's good. We will keep it throughout, and then so this is where this image should appear. This is where this image should show. Right. Let's keep it a little more so it's actually visible. Also, I saw a lot of times the bottom images are not visible in the mobile. So just keep it as is and click save. Then we go to the next one. Right. It's super cool, right? Super cool. So I'm going to just read it loud. You can do it too. So you can get same traffic and make money using Maven, and you don't even need a website. All you need is Maven. Step number 1, copy the URL of the website you want to hijack and paste it into Maven. Step number 2, push one button and rewrite the content using AI. Step number 3, publish and share with Facebook, Pinterest, and other social media to get traffic. Done. Number 3, and I'm going to boop, coded audio, add, boom, Dayad. Right, so this is where I want this to be here, and this will be, and step number 1. Okay, here we want these, right, and these to be right here. Okay, a little bit of changes, not too much, and then we go to copy the URL of the website. So this is the one where you copy the URL of the website and paste it. This is the one. It should be right here, right? This is step number 2, where I want this to show up. Push one button, and this is the one. This is step number 3. Adjust step number 3. Publish is here, and share it, right? This is the one. Awesome. So I think it's done, right? So click save. Let us play. Stop. Go back. Click. Come. Awesome. It's literally done. So we're gonna stop, click save again just to make sure. Then we go to the next one, which is call to action. Simple audio. Get Maven free from the pinned comment and bio. Done. This is for, you just want to bring it here. Pinned comment. It should be pinned comment and bio. Boop. Right. So go to audio, coded audio, like that. Add it. Get that free from the pin. Awesome. Click save. Get that free from the pin comment. Now let me calculate. Hey Siri, please calculate 14 plus 9 plus 24 plus 5. Hey Siri, how much is 14 plus 9 plus 24 plus 5?
14 plus 9 plus 24 plus 5 is 52.
Awesome. So we have a 52 seconds shorts ready to make money. Yay! Wow. Let's go and click render. Boom. The video is rendering in the background, and when it's done, we will get a notification in the email. We can download and upload, or we can directly upload. Did you like our video? Is this video going well so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts. This way, you also help others learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And everybody gets access to our software, link in the description. By the way, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, notification bell button. Let's move to the next step.